Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a triple unboxing and it is from Chanel Beauty, and I'm not even expecting to get any one of these as this is very hard to find and it's out of stock everywhere. But I saw this available in my Dillard's store near my house, and I just called them and asked if they have this, and I was told that they have, so they reserved it for me and I went in there. I'm planning to only get one, but as I was talking to my SA, I kept on adding until it became 3. And look at this, guys. These are just so pretty and the packaging is really nice. It's like buying a brand new bag. It was really packaged well, and let's try to open this one first. So I don't know what's in this box since there's 3 of those. So let's open it together. And this is what it looks like, guys. The ribbon is really beautiful. It is in black and gold color, just perfect for holidays. And even the box, let's open it. I'll just try to. And it's the red makeup bag in glittery material, and it is just a cute makeup bag, like a typical small camera bag, and it has a Chanel logo over here. And inside is this 2 items, and this is $70 retail, guys. And inside has this lining that is washable. And let's open what these are. And this is the lipstick set, and it is in matte red color. And the other one, oh, I didn't know it came with a sharpener. So this is the lip liner, and the other one is the brush. So the other one is the brush, and it also came with this Chanel sharpener. And this is a nice red color. My SA showed this to me, guys, and she said that this is best if you put a lip balm first and then you put it on top of it. And the color looks a bright red, just perfect for holidays. And I can't wait to try this on. So this is from the red makeup bag. And let's see what's in the other makeup bag. So I've been good with not buying any makeup since the pandemic. So I've thought, why don't I treat myself for a Chanel makeup, since I love the Chanel makeup line. I have their lipstick, and I also have this Chanel compact and some of the Chanel stuff that I got through the years. So I decided to get each of the makeup kit that they have that I think I need. So I was talking to my SA, and she told me that this came last week and it's now limited. I think this one is the eye kit, since I know this one is the hand cream. So this one is the eye kit, and she told me that there's only 2 left, so I got one. I can't believe that they still have this stock, as I know it is sold out everywhere. And this is the black one, guys. So pretty. It is just so pretty. And this is the red one, and it is just screams holiday. And let's open it together. And this one, as I've said, is the so this is the hand cream, so my bad. And this one is the lip balm. So I think this one together is $90. So this one, guys, and So I plan to put this lip balm and then the lip gloss that I got on the other makeup kit. And let's put this back. And last one is this set, which is in white ribbon. So this is the eye set, and this one is the eyeliner. And I am glad that it is retractable and it is in black. And it says here, Chanel Paris Noir Intense. And the next one is this mascara. And it has this brush. This is not waterproof, but my SAs told me that it stays all day. And this one is the Lash Primer. And it looks like this. So I used to have the Lash Primer and Moisturizer from Lancome. And this is my first time to try it in this Chanel line. I will use this makeup bags to organize my stuff. And I've seen that it's floating around in Chanel Buy and Sell Facebook group, and also at Instagram and YouTube, that they are using this bag as a crossbody bag. And I don't know if I'll use it as a crossbody bag, but it is just a fun thought to do if you want to bring a handbag that you don't have to really worry about. And this is quite a nice piece. The Chanel here, it's like a sturdy sticker that they placed in here. It's embossed and it is in gold, matte gold. And the makeup bag itself feels like substantial, and you can put some stuff in here. This is the one that I got last year. I put my stuff here to organize my things, and it's still looking good. This one in felt material, and the Chanel is still in there after 1 year. And this one is the new makeup bag that they've have. And I know why this one is very, very popular, because of this thing that they added in here where you can attach the strap. We will do a mud shot, guys, at the end, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like crossbody. So I have here a Louis Vuitton Felice strap that I have, and let's try to put it inside this bag, and I guess we'll try it in here. Okay guys, it looks like this is it has stuck together. So I have this bamboo pointed area from my manicure set, and I'm not using this. Let's see if this will gonna fit now inside. I really have to push it in, guys, but it worked. So it's now in, and let's try the other one. Okay guys, this is what it looks like with the strap, and now you get the idea if it's in black. And this is what it looks like crossbody on. So what do you think, guys? I'm gonna try to show you what fits inside. Try to put the stuff inside the mini pochette so I can easily put it inside. I'm gonna put this in here, and also this lotion, and let's add Dior lipstick. So it closes, guys, and it looks like this. It's really cute. I think it will work as a handbag. Here it's so cute, but I prefer the black, as this is already sparkly red, and you can only, I think, wear this on holidays. I don't know if it's for a different season. You can wear this maybe if you are bold enough to use this, but I think the black is more like an all season, as the sparkle is just subtle compared to the red one. But still, it is a nice bag for going out, and I guess if you're just, run some errands, as you will not really worry much with your bag. And let's try to be realistic and put really real stuff inside. And I can say, let's try putting on a sunglasses, and also a cell phone. So this is my iPhone X, and we'll put it here, and my Victorine wallet, and let's say we'll put a compact and a lipstick. So you see guys, it really fits our essentials. It can fit our lipstick, our cell phone, our wallet, and I like this zipper that has Chanel on it. Like it looks really nice. By the way guys, my SA gave me this 2 sets of samples with the ribbon, and this one, let's open it. So this one has a Chanel mascara, and another one, another mascara, and inside this one it's, oh, she really give me a lot of stuff. So this one has some samples of the cream, 4 samples of the cream, and 2 more in here. So she gave me like a lot of perks and another set of it. So it is a happy day for me. And also she gave me this sample of Chanel Gabrielle in this container with CC logo in it. So let me know guys if this will work for you or not, but for me, I think I'll be able to use it as a handbag, and then some I'm gonna use it to store my stuff, so to keep it organized. Let's go ahead and do the mud shots guys, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each one of you. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, so I'll see you all again next time. Take care everyone. Let's go ahead and do the mud shots.